Tonight, somewhere on this planet, millions of people are staying awake through the darkness, not for a celebration, but for a cosmic event. They are witnessing Mahashivratri, the great night of Lord Shiva. And what most of them do not know is this: the night they are honoring marks the exact moment when Shiva performed a dance so powerful that it sustains all of creation, all of time, all of existence itself, in every single second. Imagine standing in a temple in Varanasi at 2 a.m. on Mahashivratri. The air is thick with incense. Thousands of devotees sit in absolute silence, their eyes closed, their bodies still. Above the sanctum, a stone lingam, a symbol of the infinite, sits bathed in moonlight and candle flame. In this moment, across India and across the world, the same ritual is happening. But the reason why this night matters, the actual cosmic event it commemorates, will transform how you understand not just Shiva, but the nature of reality itself. Stay with me. Mahashivratri falls on the new moon night in the Hindu month of Falguna, which corresponds to February or March in the modern calendar. The word itself carries profound meaning. Maha means great, Shiva is the supreme consciousness, and Ratri means night. So we are speaking of the great night of the divine. But this is not merely poetic language, it is a commemoration of an actual cosmic event recorded in our oldest texts. According to the Shiva Purana, one of our most sacred scriptures, Mahashivratri marks the night when Shiva performed the Tandav, the cosmic dance of creation, preservation, and destruction. This was not a dance for entertainment. This was the dance that set the universe in motion. The Tandav occurs in cycles without beginning or end, and on this particular night in our present age, we honor and align ourselves with that eternal rhythm. The festival has been celebrated for over 2000 years, mentioned in texts like the Skand Purana and the Linga Purana, making it one of the oldest continuously observed spiritual observances in human civilization. In ancient times, Mahashivratri was not celebrated as a mass festival as it is today. It was primarily a night of deep yogic practice, a night when advanced practitioners would withdraw from the world and commune directly with Shiva consciousness. The concept was this: on this particular night, the veil between the physical and the divine grows thin. The energies of the cosmos shift in a way that makes inner transformation more accessible. Kings and sages alike would spend the entire night in meditation, in chanting, in sacred ritual. Over centuries, this practice evolved into the festival we know today. But here is what most people, even devout Hindus, do not know about Mahashivratri. The night does not celebrate something that happened in the past. It celebrates something that is happening right now, in this very moment, in every moment. The Tandav is not history. It is the fundamental nature of existence itself. Shiva's dance represents the constant cycle of creation and dissolution that governs everything, from the birth and death of stars, to the rise and fall of civilizations, to the thoughts that arise and dissolve in your own mind. When you observe Mahashivratri, you are not remembering an ancient event. You are synchronizing your consciousness with the eternal cosmic rhythm that animates all of reality. This is why staying awake through the night is so significant. It is not about defeating sleep through willpower. It is about maintaining conscious awareness while the world around you sleeps, a symbolic act of remaining awake to the truth while most remain in ignorance. The rituals of Mahashivratri are designed with extraordinary precision. The night is divided into 4 watches, and each watch represents a different aspect of spiritual practice. In the first watch, devotees perform jagrana, wakefulness and meditation. In the second, they chant mantras and hymns, most commonly the Mahamrityunjaya mantra, the great mantra of victory over death itself. In the third watch, they perform puja, ritual worship, offering flowers, milk, and honey to the lingam. In the fourth watch, as dawn approaches, they consume prasad, the blessed offering, breaking their fast. Each element has deep symbolic meaning. The milk represents purity. The honey represents sweetness of devotion. The flowers represent the blossoming of consciousness. Nothing in this practice is accidental. What makes Mahashivratri universally relevant is this: Shiva represents that aspect of consciousness which is beyond form, beyond time, beyond the cycle of becoming and unbecoming. In the modern world, we are constantly caught in the illusion that we are separate beings, competing, accumulating, afraid. Mahashivratri whispers a radical truth, that beneath the surface of all names and forms is one eternal, unchanging consciousness. Shiva is called Mahadev, the great god, not because he is greater than other deities, but because he represents the source from which all existence flows. When you meditate on Shiva, you are not worshipping someone outside yourself. You are turning your awareness inward, toward the witnessing consciousness that observes all of life without judgment, without attachment, without fear. The lingam, the symbol of Shiva worshipped on this night, is often misunderstood in the West. It is not what some imagine. The lingam is a geometric representation of the formless infinite. It is a way of sculpting the unsculptable, of giving shape to the shapeless so that the human mind can contemplate it. When you see a lingam bathed in water or milk in a temple, you are witnessing an ancient meditation technique. The flowing water represents the flow of cosmic consciousness. The lingam remains still, representing that which does not flow, does not change, does not die. On Mahashivratri, you are invited to participate in something larger than yourself. You do not need to be in a temple. You do not need to perform elaborate rituals. The essence is simple: remain conscious. Meditate. Chant. Stay present to the mystery of existence. Because in this very moment, the universe is dancing. Shiva is dancing. And you, the eternal consciousness within you, are also that dance. This is the secret that transforms a sleepless night into a gateway to the infinite. Subscribe to Sanatan